What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Hey, just wanted to reach out. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what wholesaling real estate is, why it's important, and how you can get started sooner rather than later. You see, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly where to get started, and more importantly, get income producing activities, which means results, not regrets like you've been experiencing everywhere else. You see, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the blueprint as to what it is and how to get started, and make sure that you stay till the end. You're probably going to want to stay to the end, because by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the very first step to get started in this business sooner rather than later.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
So let's get started. You guys, here's the deal. What is wholesaling real estate? Well, you see, wholesaling real estate is really just simply the art of connecting sellers with buyers. But here's the difference. You see, most people that you probably watched already up until this point told you, you should be going and building a buyer's list. You should be finding out what they want and then finding those customers. I don't believe that, and that changes for you today. You see, wholesaling real estate is really simple. You want to talk to people with properties that they're willing to sell, but not just any property. You don't need distressed properties. Don't buy into that lie. All you need is situations. Say it for me. Situations. Very simple, right? Like, distressed situations are going to take you so much further. There's people dying. There's people getting divorced, unfortunately. There's people getting behind on their taxes, bill collectors, bankruptcies, you name it. There's all of these different types of situations that you can go out and solve these people's problems by making an offer on their house and getting it under contract. So what is wholesaling real estate? It's simply the art of contracting properties. This is a contract. Contracting properties at a discounted price, and then turning around and selling this contract and getting a second contract. You see this second contract? It's called an assignment. Getting this contract to buy the terms of this agreement. Now, here's what's really cool and why you want to stick around to the end of this, because the difference between the two contracts is what you get paid. So, for example, if you agree to buy this house for $100,000 and you sell the rights to that contract for, let's say, $110,000, that difference, that $10,000, well, that's money in the bank. That's money in your pocket just by simply helping this person here sell the property or the paperwork that's assigned to that property. You get to make the difference in the middle. Now, here's the one thing that you're probably waiting for. I love that we're different. You see, with REI Results and my team, we're completely different because I believe that different is better than better. Not only do we help people, but we get to do it better. Why? Because we work on the income producing activities. And so I'm going to show you guys the very first step that you should be doing today to get deals versus everybody else. It's very simple. This is you in the middle. The difference between this contract and this contract, and if that's the case, the number one thing that you should be doing today is marketing out to homeowners that have distressed situations. So here's the deal, guys. At the end of the day, this could be overwhelming, as simple as it sounds. And so if you want more information on how to work with my team and the rest of our REI Results Inner Circle members with 100% success rate up until this point, click the link below and let's get started. Let's have a conversation. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next video. Hey guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.
Every single day